Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk. This is the Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and today I want to show you how to insert your SIM card, which is going to be a nano SIM card, your micro SD card, which can be up to 256 gigabytes, and also you'll need your SIM tool that comes provided in the box. So the first thing that we need to do is power our device off. So pressing the button on the right hand side, just wait for this menu to come up. You're going to hit power off and power off. So give that a second to just power off and make sure that is powered off correctly. On the left hand side of your device, you're going to find your SIM tray here. What you need to do is use your tool to get this out. So just taking our tool here. So once your tool is in and aligned, press straight down and your tray should pop out like this. So just take our tray out. So some models will be a dual SIM tray and some models will be a single SIM option. So please bear that in mind. So first of all, taking our micro SD card, like I said, it could be up to 256 gigabytes. So let's add in a lot more storage. So with that in safely, take our SIM card with the cutoff edge at the bottom right hand corner. So it should look like this. So take a second to just pause the video and it should look like this with the gold plates of each card facing downwards. So now returning into your device, make sure you hold your device level. Don't do it like this as they will fall out. Just put a finger on there to line it back up. I'm doing mine by touch because of my eyesight. So push all the way in, make sure that clicks back in so it's nice and smooth along there. Power your device back on. So while that's powering on, I just want to let you know my unboxing video is now live on the channel for this device. Also, you're going to see a accessibility video where I go through all the accessibility features and other great motion features this device has. There is going to be a camera review coming up very shortly and also my full phone review as well. In the meantime, if there is any other videos you'd like to see, please drop a comment down below. So once you're back into your device, as you can see here, we've got some signal bars are up and running. It's going to connect to your network, which means your minutes, text and data then is going to be available to use. Then to look at your SD card, what you need to do is jump into settings. Then we're going to look for storage inside here. So here's storage, click on storage, and it's going to show you available storage on your device and then on your SD card. Please note some SD cards may need to be backed up and reformatted before they go into certain devices. So just keep that in mind. So if you have any other questions or queries about this device or this video, please leave a comment down below. And there's going to be loads of videos on the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Thanks always for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.